If you want to stop Klarna's auto-renewal feature for your subscriptions or payments, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your Klarna account. Visit the Klarna website or open the Klarna app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account linked to the subscription you want to manage. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in a menu or by clicking on your profile icon. Step 3. Find subscription management. Look for a section related to subscriptions or payments. Here, you should see a list of active subscriptions that are set to auto-renew. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Identify the specific subscription you wish to stop from auto-renewing. Click on it to view more details and options related to that subscription. Step 5. Disable auto-renewal. Follow the prompts to turn off the auto-renewal feature for the selected subscription. Confirm any changes if prompted to ensure that the auto-renewal is successfully disabled. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Klarna subscriptions and prevent unwanted auto-renewals. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Klarna's customer support for further assistance.